Do you need help finding a reliable appliance repair company in Fort Collins in northern Colorado? Whether your washing machine has conked out or even your oven just won't heat up anymore. Or how about your refrigerator that is making that loud noise? It can be so nerve-wracking to find that reliable appliance repair company that won't run off with your money. Learn how to find that reputable appliance repair company and go to the website that is displayed on this video, or click on the link that is associated with this video in the description in order to get a free guide that gives you helpful tips as to how to find a reputable appliance repair company in your market.